So today we are on a nature quest in our own backyard, looking for just cool stuff. We came across these. Aren't they just adorable? Crazy little cluster. Happy little bugs. And then there is this group, which is totally crazy. And just above that, you got this group, growing wild. And then back here, totally crazy. Just mushy madness over here. Don't know what they are, but don't know if they're deadly or toxic. But for that very purpose, we're not going to touch them. Now we're going to travel back into the alleyway behind our house, behind our peacock pins, and see what we can find. Because we're bored and it's a Sunday.
Yes.
So my son and I are just checking stuff out. Here in the dear old state of Kanawha, Oklahoma. Oh, by the way, this rose is called Innocence, which traveled from my home state of Utah. Mm-hmm.
No politicals.
Oh, my son says no political. How about no more bullshit? Bring Trump back. How about that? Rose of Sharon tree. Beautiful. Our pin expansion. Fantastic.
You want them on TikTok?
Webworms.
Gross.
They are just terrible. They destroy our trees. And see these little bastards? Just in there living life, living it up. You know, eating everything they can. Man, they're disgusting. And I am a caterpillar person. I just love caterpillars. Those are not caterpillars. They are far from. This is the alleyway behind our house. Lots of poison ivy.
Yeah.
Terrible amounts of poison ivy.
It's probably a lot of spiders.
So, probably a lot of spiders, that's right. This tin that goes on our pin. I figured we'd be able to find some mushroom patches back here.
Not a big fan of spiders.
But there's a lot of spider webs, a lot of scary stuff. Doesn't look like it. Just very woodsy. Hear my snowflake quail chirping. I don't think there's anything interesting back here.
Maybe under the tent.
I'm scared, dude. Snakes.
Oh,
It's a nice, cool spot for a snake to chill. I guess we could lift one piece over here and see.
no, I want to just...
Yeah, I guarantee you there's snakes under there. I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Nice. Guess we could go see what's going on with the birds. Here's our beautiful sunflowers. Those look so pretty. They're supposed to be mammoth, but our elephant ear. They go great with cannas, which are those red flowers up there, real tall. Japanese maple. Pineapple tomatoes. Also a hybrid out of the state of Utah. Marigolds. Here we have chicks galore. Hi, babies. Polish chicks back there. They're looking all crazy. Who wants to come say hi?
This is
Hi,
wild chicken.
Hello, babies. Come say hi. Come on, kids. Well, there you are. Hello, sweetheart. I don't know if anybody's familiar with Preston Plays, but there he is. Right there. Preston in the feather. Right there. You go, Preston. Game on. And we got the smallest quail species in the world. Button quail. Hi, babies. A little dust bathing bin.
That's karate chick.
Little pearls. Hi, babies. Lots. And we got some mamas with some babies. All buzzing around back there. Hi, babies. Millie and a BB Red. A bunch of little kids. Millies, Phoenix, Frizzle. Actually, they're Sizzles. They're Frizzle Silkies. So we call them Sizzle. Super cute little kids.
What you gonna do? She is feisty.
And here we have our Phoenix. These kids are crazy. That's obviously not a Phoenix. But they all like jumping up on me. They're all friendly. They're all tame. There's the handsome guy there. Super handsome there. Whoops. Camera drop. Well, hello. That's not yours. Hi, baby. Okay. Now there's one on the phone. I know. You're so sweet.
They're so camera. They need so much attention.
Yeah.
Sounds like a hurt.
Huh?
That sounds like a hurt.
You better not poop on me, dude. Yeah, I know. Nice of you guys to throw feed everywhere.
I fed you guys. Why'd you gotta do that?
Got a couple dogs in here. Hey, get down. Get down. We're moving on with our quest.
To find.
Hi, little ones.
Where's Lemon?
Mm-hmm.
Lemon. What's up, Lemon?
Handsome boy.
What's up, Lemon?
This crazy kid.
Very mean. Just tried to peck my eyes out when I was trying to save a baby.
Hi, pretty girl. As you can see, they threw their feet everywhere as well. Picked out what they wanted and the hell with the rest, I suppose. And Daddy's up here. Pretty boy. Hi, baby. Okay, moving on. pigeons, doves. Fantastic. Here we have our young yellow golden pheasant. Ringo Star. This guy here is just an amazing bird. This is actually a hybrid. One of my pheasant males bred one of my silky hens, and they created this. Bless you, baby. Now, I'm sure they're sterile, but hey, it was a beautiful mistake. Hi, baby. Gorgeous bird. He's got the colors of a pheasant, yet he's as big as a silky chicken. Which, you know, silkies are bantams, but they're much bigger than pheasants. Ow! That was my finger. And he's also got the feathered legs, like the silky. Yes, sir. Hi, pretty boy. Yellow golden hens. Very beautiful. In here, I have a couple peahens that just hatched out. 3 babies. As you can see, there's a couple of them. But they're co-parenting, which I think is super neat. And this pen is open, kind of free for anybody to go in, and these are the birds that have chose to go in there. My young midnight, my opal-pied white-eye, a white hen, and my purple peacock, and karate chicken. It don't matter what kind of a lock you have on your door, this chicken, she will kick her way out of it. Karate chicken. And the pigeon pen. These guys are the coolest. I swear, they are so neat to raise. I've got the top open so they can come and go as they please. You know, they never leave home. They're happy here. They've got babies and all sorts of stuff, so they're super cool. I love it when they all fly out and they circle the house, they all come back. It's just really neat to watch. And then the oldest chicken I have, named Fragglecock, he's right here. He's the oldest chicken I have. He's 8. I hatched him 8 years ago. And he's sweet. Just, you know, nods off like a little old man. He's standing there, he just falls asleep, see? Night night. Night night. And we got our Cochin Frizzle pin. 1 Jubilee Orpington hen, which is right there. She's beautiful. And this is actually a Brahma Frizzle. I had Brahma chickens at one point, but I mainly have bantams, and the Brahmas were just destroying my little hens because they figure out how to escape their pins, and they breed my hens and just tear their sides up, and so I nixed the Brahma from my flock. But I have self-blue Cochins in here, Frizzles. Miss Chica Chicken. She has a scissor beak. I've had her for years. She's a strong old girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hello, sweetheart. Also had that one for years. This beautiful chicken's really just healthy, strong, happy. We got our Millies in here. They've got, I think, 4 babies. Looks like my porcelain's in there on the nest. The gem of the Millie world. There's a Millie baby. These girls are super pretty. They remind me of monarch butterflies. I just love them.